Hi everyone, so our second video. I just want to go through one other thing that I think I forgot to do in our first video, which is a sidebar here. So if, for example, I have a bar like so, and I split it into equal parts like this, I might actually want to add something for my year ones or EYFS group and show them a more visual representation, more pictorial kind of representation. Let's say I've got 3, 4 of these cars, and we can talk about how many cars are there altogether if we wanted to, or in this one it might be really clear for us to just talk about how many more yellow cars are there compared to the blue cars. Or if we actually wanted to start that again, if we wanted to actually look at bar models, but then we were thinking about, okay, how am I going to look at bar models now without thinking of each individual bar as a unit. I want it to be more than a unit, right? Can we get that concept through to our children? So you might want to add these suites, and you can therefore show that actually each part doesn't necessarily have to always be a unit. It could be more than a unit. In this case, each bar represents 2 suites. And we've got a few other things there as well. If you wanted to as well look at negative numbers and positive numbers, and let's say we look at -2, we can show that -2 is just 2 lots of -1s, and if we add another 2 to -2, they cancel each other out. Okay, so therefore you're left with 0. So -2 add 2 is 0. But another concept which I think a lot of us find maybe quite challenging to teach is something like -2 add -2. Okay, what does that equal? And therefore some of the features we have here just allows us to kind of do that. So we've got -2 already here, add -2, so -1 and another -1, and you can see that -2 add -2, it looks like something -4. Okay, so look at that out here, -4, and you can see that you can have some algebraic content here as well, lessons. We've got other things like question marks for when we want to ask pupils, students, what are we looking for in the bar, and we've got a few other things like fractions as well. So if you wanted to add a fraction, let's say 5, 6, and press enter, a fraction pops up, and you can write 5, 6, and so forth. I know there's not 6 equal parts there, but 5, 6 is a random fraction that I came up with. And so yeah, there's a few things that hopefully we can find beneficial to use in our lessons. Again, any questions, feel free to ask away in the post in front of you.